Hi, I'm Trish Lee and you are watching Thrive with Trish, the place to be to build your confidence and make your dreams happen. For today's episode, it's really a big one even for myself. I truly do understand what it feels like to feel like life is not in your hands, it's not in your control. And I've been in this position so many times that I felt like, life happened to me and I have absolutely no idea where my life is going. I have no control over my destiny and I felt like crap. But here's the thing, I've learned two important key points that has helped me push past that feeling of feeling useless, hopeless, and totally not in control of my own life. And today I would like to share those 2 points with you. Tip number 1, let life happen to you or make your life happen. Bad things can happen to you, yes, but does that mean that you choose to accept it as your fate? Things can turn out not as planned, but does that make you a failure? Or is it purely an opportunity to learn new things? You look around you and you see that there are other people more capable than you, more fortunate than you, and you think to yourself, oh, you're less blessed or you're less lucky. Or maybe you feel less capable than others. How about you change your perspective and you think of it in such a way that, hey, this person is more experienced in creating this or doing this. How about I learn a new skill from this person? By doing so, you don't put yourself down and you don't feel like you're losing control or less capable than someone else. You will purely see it as somebody has a different skill set that you don't have, and now you're giving yourself that opportunity to widen your own skill sets. Relationships can fail. Yes, it's painful. I can understand that. But does that mean that there's nobody else out there in the world meant for you? Rather than think that falling in love is useless and giving up on love, how about you can change your perspective and think that after an unfruitful relationship, now you know better what is the kind of relationship that you actually want for the long term. Tip number 2, practice patience. Now this tip is truly so important because I understand in the world that we live in nowadays, we want everything like instantly. I can get that. However, just because something isn't happening like right now doesn't mean that it's not working. Have you ever heard of this saying, Rome wasn't built in a day? And that same idiom actually applies to your life. Great things takes time. Learn to practice patience and trust in your own self that if you know you have put in all the necessary effort and planning into making your goals happen, then trust the universe that it also needs time to align its energy to work in your favor. No matter how stressful the waiting time can be and how intimidating it may feel, but trust me, when your dreams do happen, it's gonna be so beautiful. I hope you realize that you are not your circumstances, that no matter what comes your way, you can choose what is or isn't your destiny. Now, my dear friends, let's end today with the quote of the day. You are the director of your life movie. Embrace your power and create the life you envision. Now, I'd like to hear from you. In what scenarios have you felt like you've lost control of your life? And what other steps did you take to take back control of your own destiny? Let me know either in the comments below or over at my website, trishandco.com. And while you're at my website, don't forget to sign up for my Trish exclusive newsletter to receive freebies, empowering tips, and so much more from myself that I don't share anywhere else. Plus, just by signing up, you'll get a free ebook on how to build unshakable confidence. If you have any questions that you would like me to guide you on, do feel free to write to me over at my page, Ask Trish Anything, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you with some empowering tips. So my dear friends, did you like this episode? If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this episode with your friends, colleagues, or any of your loved ones. Your support truly means the world to me. As always, live strong and have the courage to create the life you love because your happiness truly matters. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Thrive with Trish.